Let's make this super easy bow. Here, after making slip knot, I am making around 50 to 60 chains. You can make any number of chains. Here, I am skipping one chain, yarn over. In the second chain, I am inserting the hook, pull out a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. So I will yarn over again and pull out through all the 3 loops. This is called half double crochet. I repeat, yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, pull out a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops. In the same way, I will continue doing it for all the chains and reach the end. Here I have completed the last chain. Here you can see few holes, or you can find these holes anywhere in between also. Just pull your work and it will be fine. Here I am making a chain and I will pull out. Let's tie the knot and secure the ends. To make it even secure, I will pull out the tails through 1 or 2 chains and then cut the remaining yarn. Now I have a strap and I will make a normal half knot and turn this single strap into a beautiful bow. For more such content, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.